shout out to all my subscribers and followers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. After our free time stroll at the old town of Lucerne, we're back to Grand Hotel Europe. Let me show you how elegant the lobby entrance of this hotel. Our scheduled program is posted at the bulletin in the lobby. Here, our new acquaintance are looking at it. Look how beautiful and welcoming is this front lobby entrance of this hotel. Now back to the hotel room allocated to me and my daughter starts preparing for the evening welcome drinks, orientation, and dinner. Follow us! Here at the venue, we were requested to choose group leader to introduce ourselves. Others were requested to tell something on the recent experience with the Gate 1 travel. Second day at Lucerne after our 6:30 a.m. breakfast. Here we are, the group at the tour bus, and our tour leader, Victoria, is giving us orientation.
It was a couple of years ago that we worked. It's very nice to see people, who you have worked with. Always very nice. We had a very nice team last time.
Join us at our walking tour of Lucerne Old Town, Switzerland. Lucerne's Old Town or Altstadt is a captivating blend of history, culture, and Swiss charm. It is nestled on the banks of Lake Lucerne, and this picturesque district is known for its well-preserved medieval architecture, narrow cobblestone streets, and vibrant squares. And look at that old double-headed golden eagle sign. The Hirschenplatz apartments are situated in the heart of Lucerne Old Town, offering a very convenient location. Walking through Lucerne's Old Town offers us a chance to step back in time and experience the city's rich history while enjoying its modern-day attraction. Look at all those chocolates. Wow, it's all looks yummy.
Sorry, I didn't want to scare you. Would you like to have a sample?
Of course, we would love to have a sample. Absolutely, guys.
Oh, these are serene
Ole.
60 years in business of chocolate. If you need more information, just come by again.
Okay, that's very easy to find. Okay, let me tell you what I'm looking. I will tell you all this.
To all my subscribers and followers, while you are watching this video, imagine you are also joining us in the walking tour and enjoy the Lucerne Old Town Switzerland, a stunning destination where alpine peaks, serene waters, medieval streets, cozy restaurants, picturesque backdrop, all captured by my daughter in her 360 camera. So enjoy! Now we reach the Lion Monument located in the middle of a rock grotto in an idyllic park in the city and has been impressing visitors from near and far for many years. The Lion of Lucerne is a memorial to the Swiss soldiers who died during French Revolution, reminder of the sacrifices, the bravery of the soldiers, and it is the most moving and powerful monument in Switzerland. And here is the 360 view for all of you. Look at this powerful imagery. American author Mark Twain famously described it as the most mournful and moving piece of stone in the world. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Follow us on the highlight of our tour of the day going up Mount Pilatus. Join us and see you soon. God bless.